Hi guys, I promised you a video today on top 10 tips to progress your files and help your clients at this time. Those of you who know AVRillo already will know how proactive our conveyancers and solicitors are, how hard they work and how much they are pushing files through at this time and at this moment. However, those of you who don't know and are connected with me, you can apply this to any pipeline you have at the moment, or try and use this on any solicitor or conveyancer you may already be dealing with. So let's get to it, guys. Number one, please encourage conference calls. If we get to a sticking point in the transaction, we will get all the conveyancers, all the solicitors, any agent we can, and the clients on one phone call. We will air everything out that we need to, essentially. We will try and come to a resolve, move forward within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, rather than back and forth emails all the time. Please, if you're using us, suggest this to your clients, to other agents, to other solicitors. If you are not, this might be an idea you want to raise to other colleagues or solicitors that you're using. It really helps. Don't be surprised if some people do not want to go on this conference call. However, in transparency, being transparent as a company, it would help everyone involved if they agreed to come on the call to progress it and move it forward. Number two, make an urgent list of cases that you need exchanged or completed within this month. Put the dates on there. Put the client names, as a lot of lawyers actually go by client's first or last name, and please concentrate on those. Pick one day a week, 2 days a week, any time that you want to speak to your lawyer, and you will be able to get through to them, especially if you're offered a personal mobile number like we do actually at AVRillo. So we make sure you are listened to. Otherwise, they might get looked at in alphabetical order of emails, order of calls, and I know this is market wide. Number three, try and use the same conveyancer on both sides of a transaction. At AVRillo, we are allowed to act for seller and purchaser at the same time. So this supports our 95% move rate, and this also supports us exchanging in half the time of the national average. Other conveyancers, if they are able to do that, encourage them to do that, or try and get one solicitor or conveyancer down the chain as much as you can. It's less sources to contact for information. Number four, encourage immediate search payments made by purchasers. Please get them ready. Please, if you know the system, tell them where to go, what they need to do, as a good solicitor or conveyancer will do in support of you. And at the same time, make sure your lawyer or solicitor is not sitting on that payment. That tends to happen most of the time because it's not interlinked into their system. Until they get the contract pack back, they often do not apply for searches. With us at AVRillo, as soon as we get the payment, we automatically apply for the searches. So if that's day one, then we apply for searches day one. So that's going to cut a lot of time off the whole transaction. Number five, encourage your clients to sign up with a solicitor or conveyancer day one, soon as they register. If not, as soon as they come in to speak to you about ID and anti-money laundering. Just on offer agreed. The earlier the better. We actually offer a free pre-sale service here where we look at clients' ID, gift paperwork, we send them protocol forms online, and we give free advice to clients. That is something I know is not offered a lot industry-wide, but the sooner all the documents can be set up, the sooner we can get straight to the legals when the offer is agreed. This will reassure the seller that the buyer is actually serious, and this will reassure the buyer that the seller isn't looking around for other offers. Number six, send the memorandum of sale immediately when a solicitor or lawyer is instructed. Reason being is that actually at AVRillo, we send contract packs out on day one that we get the memo back. With any other lawyer or conveyancer, it may take a couple more days, it may take even longer than that. So make sure you don't just have a generic email. Try and get your lawyer or conveyancer or solicitor's direct email or direct contact to send them a memo and say to them, please, can you get this documentation out straight away? Number 7, send a change sheet. We love change sheets. Please, if you're using AVRillo, send a change sheet. We will be very happy to help with any progression that we can. We are targeted to get a case through. So if, for example, a client was using me and I had a change sheet come through, then I am going to see all the agents and solicitors down the chain. I know where to get the information. I understand the case better, and it means I'm going to be able to apply myself a lot quicker and take the stress away from you. So please, with any lawyer or conveyancer that you use, send them a change sheet. Number 8, try and agree a completion date prior to instructing a conveyancer